You're making editing harder than it needs to be, and it's costing you time every single day. Because what if I told you one small change inside Adobe Premiere Pro could literally cut your editing time in half, and almost no one is using it properly? Imagine this. You're editing a video. Timeline is full. Clips stacked everywhere. You need to cut everything at one point. So what do? You press TRL plus Shift plus K. Both hands. Awkward. Slow. Then again and again. A same motion, same effort every single time. Now imagine this instead. You press just one key. Done. Everything cuts instantly. Feels different, right? This is where everything changed for me. Custom shortcuts. Not the default ones. Not the complicated ones. But shortcuts that actually make sense for you. Because here's the truth. Most editors don't struggle with skills. They struggle with speed. And speed comes from how fast you can execute ideas. It's not how good you are. Let's break it down. 2 actions you use constantly: cutting clips, deleting gaps. First one, cutting across all tracks. Instead of using multiple keys, map it to a single key. For me, it's E. Now, every time I want to cut, I don't think I just press E, and the timeline responds instantly. No hesitation, no delay. Second one, ripple delete, removing clips, without leaving gaps, because gaps destroy your flow. So I changed it, mapped it to R. Now, I just select, press R, and everything closes perfectly. No gaps, no interruptions, just flow. And here's the crazy part. It's not just about saving seconds, it's about building momentum. Because when editing feels smooth, you don't stop, you don't hesitate. Let me show you how to set this up. Inside Adobe Premiere Pro, go to Edit, then Keyboard Shortcuts. Or just press Alt plus K. Now you'll see everything. Every shortcut. Every command. All in one place. Search for Add Edit. You'll find 2 options. Single track. Maybe E? Done. Then search Ripple Delete. Click Assign your key. Maybe R? You'll see a warning that the key is already used. Ignore it. If you don't use that function, it doesn't matter. Now go back to your timeline. Test it. Press E cuts instantly. Press R, everything closes perfectly. No extra steps. No wasted motion. And suddenly, editing feels lighter. You're not fighting the software anymore. You're controlling it. And that changes everything. Because editing isn't just about creativity. It's about speed, flow, efficiency. The faster you execute, the better your ideas look. The more videos you finish, the more you grow. Same skills, same software, but now you move differently. You press one key, and the timeline listens. And once you experience that, you can't go back. You sit there, hands on keyboard, timeline ready for the first time. It doesn't feel slow anymore. It feels like it's keeping up with you.